Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to use your Google Keep from the web extension of your web browser. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to use the web extension of Google Keep, you just simply have to open any of your web browser where you have installed the web extension for Google Keep. And after installing the extension, you just simply have to tap into this extension page from here and you will see your Google Keep Chrome extension into here. Now in order to use, just simply tap into three dots and then click into this Go to Keep option. And after tapping into Go to Keep, this page will appear. Now you can use Google Keep from this page very easily. And by following this very easy step, you can use Google Keep's extension from your web browser. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.